Try this question. ABC is variable triangle such that A is 1, 2 and B and C lie on line y is equal to x plus lambda, where lambda is variable. Then find locus of orthocenter of triangle ABC. Construct triangle ABC. BC lying on straight line x minus y plus lambda is equal to 0 and A has coordinates 1, 2. Then we have to find locus of orthocenter of this triangle. Now we know that orthocenter is point of concurrency of altitudes of triangle. So let's draw one of the altitudes AD of triangle which is passing through vertex A. Orthocenter will be definitely on this altitude, somewhere here. Say point P, H, K. We have to find locus of this orthocenter. How you get relation for H and K this time? Now this line AD is always perpendicular to BC. What is slope of BC? That is 1. Then what will be slope of AP? That will be -1. From this slope we can establish relation for H and K because we have 2 points A and P on this altitude. So slope of AP is -1. We can get by this K minus 2 upon H minus 1 is equal to -1. So finally locus is y minus 2 is equal to minus x plus 1 or x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0. That means orthocenter will lie on this straight line which is its locus. देखो इसको हम डायग्राम से समझते हैं कि लोकस इस तरह से क्यों होगा स्ट्रेट लाइन. अगर हम देखो ए पॉइंट फिक्स्ड है, ये लाइन वेरिएबल है, ठीक है. नाउ इफ यू चेंज द वैल्यू ऑफ लैम्डा, व्हाट चेंजेस? कांस्टेंट टर्म ऑफ द लाइन, बट लाइन विल रिमेन पैरेलल. Suppose this is another line for some different value of lambda. Now we construct right angle triangle here. Okay, तो इस ट्राइंगल का जो ऑर्थो सेंटर है वो भी इसी अल्टीट्यूड के ऊपर होगा. अगर हम इस अल्टीट्यूड को एक्सटेंड करते हैं AD को, ठीक है, तो यहां पे पॉइंट D डैश आएगा. तो AD एंड AD डैश दोनों कहां से पास हो रहे हैं? P पॉइंट H कॉमा K से. तो इसका जो लोकस है वो क्या हो जाएगा? ये लाइन हो जाएगा जो H कॉमा या K या 1,2 से पास हो रहा है, ठीक है, एंड वो इस लाइन को परपेंडिकुलर है. द लोकस इज this straight line which is perpendicular to BC.